Kuni coba nih viewer ki bape kuni video ko banta te hakane ka video banta gan kedon ki khubor like kam ki berej pang kam hi kai school ka bre po JNV ne ki Novadia tengne gede kan Novadia Vidyalaya Samiti NVS te kane gede namta ki special recruitment drive ka bre tang jongka North Eastern region tang kine ki state apo North East ki bahap ha ka jingpe jongka Shillong region te special recruitment drive for recruitment of principal ka post kede jong principal te postgraduate PGT kede jong kibla pas master seneng train graduate teachers and miscellaneous category of teachers in Novadia Vidyalaya Samiti for Jawahar Novadia Vidyalayas located in the state of North Eastern region tang hapo North East kini ngot ba phinyo be la phinyo ekane phinyo betang kini ki state jong North East kum Arunachal Pradesh Assam Manipur Meghalaya Mizoram Nagaland Sikkim and Tripura under Shillong region kini ki hapaka Shillong region kidon kumba 96 GNV are functional 6 GNV are functional neto 96 baru 96 te yang ini page no menta kat no tali ki post kilat ma namta ki principal PGT TGT ta okay to namta ka principal ka total kada in reference tali ki post te on reserve UR ke laipo EWS ke in rew OBC ke khatnyau SC ke khandai ST ke dai sautali te ki jong ki ST total baro re khinlang baro ki post kadon kamba laipo tali tang jong ki ST ma te kabun be jong ki ne ki be ki on reserve hat ki OBC jong ka principal post kadon reference tali plus be ki be ki jong ki batuna khatmat then yung PGT mod postgraduate teacher mo te qualification kin sa batay po te kane gade tang ta ki belaj post mo kan tlik post kilaj te la batay ne ki subject pa ne biology chemistry commerce economic english geography hindi history te ki ba apply kini gade bandep ya ka biat no bandep ya ka master ba ka biat kan mau kita te kini ki post kala don hang ne kan tlik da mention pila ban download na po website ru la don te ngasu page hang ne pen yang ne te ka total yung kini baro te maths physics computer science khadwei tali ki subject tu te total baro jong ki yu kadon kumba arts pa khandai pasal total post tang namta ka PGT ne postgraduate teachers tu ekdon tu UR AWS OBC SC ST tambah ST kadon khadri tali SC Laifra OBC Nyufulai AWS Arsau UR Shispa Saufulai kebun bahajong ka UR te namta kini ki others pan namta kini ki disability kidon lagi jong te in page samta jong train graduate teachers te qualification jong train graduate teachers kadon phiaban pass ru eka CTET phiab dei yo pass graduate ban phiaban pass ka BEd ban eka CTET mo ki bam pass ka CTET makinam qualify te UR kadon refer tali ki post EWS khatwei Laipsa OBC SC khatphra ST kadai nhiều te subject long English Hindi maths science social studies kita subject te ki bakwa ban apply kila ban apply te don ru segine namta gini miscellaneous category of teachers group B kine namta gi music arts pet male pet female librarian don te ka post yung ne long ba sau pusan jong UR nhiều AWS Arpway OBC SC khatway sau ST gut ba phya bia fight ben namta ka UR bat ka ST takine tlik flap ne fight ma da P1 na ka merit list ka kham khmat mot phio be ka UR bat la da phi duna mot phna bia fight bia ka ST category ta ki qualification no tenamta ka post jong principal qualification degree master degree with at least 50% marks aggregate but BEd or equivalent teaching degree kita master BEd berke experience ta kila ada batay hang ne te ba ko ban apply kila adaptive hi ban pule mak de master sanang te jong ki PGT postgraduate no teknik la dong jong tai pila ban download na po website okay ta kila ban dam ta te kila ban de postgraduate but BEd ade ban de master But ka BEd but 90% mau 90% marks in aggregate bro kini bilang 90% ringkat bat ka BEd na atau BEd degree bat ka belai grade proficiency in teaching in Hindi and English kindon ka proficiency tidak ada betul na PGT geography commerce kira ada batai te biology kila amno tab David botany zoology life science bioscience genetic kila ada batai lut baro sa check hi na kaneka PDF desirable qualification experience as TGT in recognized institution experience working knowledge of computer okay PGT computer science at least 50% BE BTech to sapulih gitu bun ma tambahkan BEd degree pinan comment sapulih bahai for trained teachers subject wise code okay English Hindi math science essential qualification okay PD mende ka bachelor degrees with at least 50% and if you pass na kaneka regional college of education kepada 4 year integrated berba kene BSc BEd dan BA BEd kitu la kejong te ada bachelor degree ka wairu pimendap ya ka BEd Kidon sa kijing batai kumta ba pimla pan yo pan siem ke badai kita subject sa pulih hi kitu ke badai ban pulih kane sa page baha ta bi bada pass banyak ada batai pamo pass the central teacher eligibility test conduct by CBSE pion pass ka sitet kam sa ka degree BEd degree te competent to teach through English and Hindi kene na ma nam lai tang ma phap nang badai ma desirable qualification ban yo you beda experience of working ada pidon kine beda fila ban yo extra knowledge of computer application BEd degree not a 4 years in course arts mentioned sub class A okay and there some technique miscellaneous teacher kam lagi arts music pet nge bro pemon kam ka graduate na diploma ki music A bro ada batai ni sampai hi tagi arts ru 4 years recognized diploma drawing painting sculpture arts nang iban page bat ka BEd degree don kam to ya ka music don kam BEd degree indra ya ka arts don kam BEd degree working knowledge okay so check ba ma or BEd degree in fine arts from regional college of education okay pets also pet pada kana tagi physical education kila amde bachelor ne amde diploma kila banyo te desirable qualification diploma from NIS tada pidon ka diploma na po NIS piyo chance experience working research school extra te librarian university degree or graduation with 1 year diploma tata tel like nyo age relaxation chilka sil thrive kado sans name person with disability okay to ga aktif hi la an kumju hi baro and mode of selection phaban tho ga exam mo gadon daga exam gane ga mode of selection kindon daga exam kine for the post scheme of examination for the post of principal abatai hangni part 1 part 2 part 3 part 4 part 5 kine reasoning general awareness language academic dan batai lupa post of TGT rukumjo general awareness reasoning knowledge of society teaching aptitude sa check hi kine baro kidon kita question kan tulis question and I post of TGT and miscellaneous teachers kumjo hi ada batai manam da batai bun te kumno ban apply phe ban apply online through Novadia kana ma website www.navodaya.gov.in so check nagatu apply online zero online te ka price kane 6,000 tangkan namtai principal PGT khat praspa namtai TGT bede khasan spa kan mau kita gidor zero online registration kan sedang khandai tarik Julai registration close kade arp khandai tarik Julai fee deposit open ro khandai fee close kade arp khandai kan ju hi date of exam kin sapentip ya ka date of exam te ka age bede kamde ben exceed upper age limit not exceeding 50 years namta ka principal but namta post jong PGT not exceeding 40 years upper age limit mangine ada batai te namta ka TGT bede where is TGT for trained graduate teachers not exceeding 35 years upper age limit tesa check hi baro nga try pilihan nang hi ban check page na po website navodaya.government.in bisa share kane bisa don ka recruitment nang tu ka website ka link Pilaban klik nang tu sa register yala de sa pendap e baru don kam sa siu kabai iu ba pitap tangkum tai te ngatrai pa nang hi gini hi kublejibun.